Boomerang 2.0 Data Recovery.
Recovering deleted files from a drive or disk. Today we are going to demonstrate how to recover deleted files from a drive or disk. First, click Drive Disk for Boomerang to search drive disks that are connected to your computer. Then select Recovery Method Needed. Today we are going to select Formatted My Hard Drive or Disk. Then click Continue. Boomerang will then show you the connected disk or drive that is connected to your computer. Select the device you wish to recover, and then click Continue. Boomerang will now scan the drive for your files. When Boomerang is finished scanning, a new window with different formatted options will appear. We're going to select the highest suggested partition. Then click Continue. A new window with the deleted files from your disk or drive will appear. Select the files you wish to recover, and then choose the Save Selected Files button.
Thank you for watching this Boomerang Data Recovery tutorial.